Well, welcome back to City Hunters. Second day of our Germany trip. Today we're in Frankfurt, and the plan is we're going to visit Lidl. Yes, this is not sponsored by the way, but we're going to do some shopping, and afterwards we're going to visit some highlights. Highlights of Frankfurt, of course. Right now I'm sitting in the lobby of our hostel. I'll vlog this hostel some other time, and yeah, but today I'm going to take you guys to explore Frankfurt. Let's go, the weather is nice. Ciao, peace. Well, welcome. Now we're walking towards the main tower. We've parked at the parking place, so now we're heading off towards the main tower. So let's go, see you in a bit. So we're moving towards the 54th floor, and as you could have seen, we're inside the main tower, now inside the lift. So yes, we're going to the 54th half floor, and after that we'll see what awaits us. right now at the top of the main tower. I've taken some amazing shots. The only thing is it's freaking cold above here, so I'll just chill and hang around here, and after that see you later. People, so as you know, Frankfurt is the capital city, financial capital city of Germany, and if you look at that side, then you'll see a big euro sign. So if you guys got some money, then you can always send to me. And what I did forget is behind me you'll see the famous Opera Frankfurt. So if the cameraman come in, then you can film the Opera Frankfurt. We're walking towards our garage where our car is parked. So I just thought, let me guys give you a glimpse of this area. Hi. They also call this Frankfurt the Manhattan of Europe because of all these high buildings around this area. So the next stop is Zeil. That's a big shopping street. Right now we're standing at the Hauptwache, and yeah, let's walk towards the Zeil. So this is the area of Spak of Hauptwache. Some old buildings and new buildings. And over there you'll see Galeria Hauptwache. So right now we're inside the Kaufhaus. You'll see different brands, different makeups. There's a sky lounge in this Kaufhaus with a view, so we're gonna go upstairs. The only problem is there's only one lift. Now we're on the top of the Kaufhaus. You've got a restaurant around here as well. All you can eat concept, I guess. So this is the restaurant, and this is the Sky Lounge of Frankfurt. So yesterday we were higher, but this is like in the main Zeil area, so main shopping center, and this one is free. For the one we went yesterday, we paid like €9, and this one is free. You hear all the churches and ringing of the bells. These are all the offices. So this is the main street of Frankfurt, and this is the shopping street with all the different shops and brands. This is Caledonia. There you'll see some United Colors, Sephora, Vodafone. You'll see some Dutch shops as well, Immerse. And you will see Swarovski, Pandora, New Yorker there, Adidas. A big shopping mall at the Zeil. Look at the amazing design of this building. So another highlight of Frankfurt is the dome, the big dome you'll see behind me. So let's go and take a look inside. So we're walking towards the big dome. Look at the massive building. The car is coming. Can we go? Thank you. We can walk. So let's see if we can go inside of this. I'm not sure if we can go upstairs. I don't think so, but anyway, let's go inside. Oh, what do I see there? I don't know. That looks like an old house. So let's go inside. So this is the inside area. Beautiful architecture. So, all the candles. This is of course a church, so let me see if I can, thank you, record it. I don't speak German, so let's see. There's a waiting list up here. So all the people are coming outside. I'm not sure if we can walk inside. I think we can, but let us go. Okay, so we're entering the magic door. So as you could have seen, we're inside the dome, and this is really big, man, really big. So as I told you, this is for free, so free entrance, and yeah, I think you guys got some information. I'll put some information down in the text subtitles, then at least you guys will know what the history is. So moving on, behind me you'll see the Eiserner Steg. That's the famous bridge around here. So I'm just gonna walk here and show you guys how this looks like. Let's walk upside the bridge and see what's special about this bridge. So basically the cars can't come here. It's only for the pedestrians, and yeah, let's see. I mean, you've got the river Mains around here with a beautiful sunset, of course, and this is the bridge. So rush around here. Let me see how big this is and if I can walk. Yes, I'm just walking. Look at this, man. Over there you see some skyline, about the river, of course, and let's move forward. So everyone is taking pictures. I'm just walking and showing you the beautiful bridge. What you also see is some lockers. You must have seen this in the famous big other cities as well. So let's see, this one is, for example, from 2019, Morat. And who does he love? He loves Ueda, I think. Yes. Okay, it's cold, so let's move quickly ahead. Okay, we're moving. It looks, to be honest, I'm not sure what's special about this bridge. It just looks basic to me. Over there you've got some nice views.